Welcome to the Adtran University Show Me video series. In this video, I'll show you how to create a vWLAN Standby SSID. The Standby SSID is an optional survivability SSID that is only active when vWLAN cannot be reached by the access points. Normal SSIDs will not be advertised while the Standby SSIDs are being advertised. New clients can connect to the Standby SSID with the basic Wi-Fi authentication options Open, WEP, and Pre-Share Key, giving access to local resources. When vWLAN is reachable again, the normal SSIDs will be advertised and the Standby SSID will stop being advertised. Let's configure a Standby SSID. Standby SSID configuration begins with setting the AP Control Channel Timeout from the Configuration tab, System, Settings menu. The AP Control Channel Timeout is a domain setting. It defines the time in seconds before an access point will reboot if it loses its control channel to vWLAN. The default is 14,400 seconds or 4 hours. When creating a Standby SSID, you have to set this value to 0. So let's go ahead and do that. Next, we need to create the Standby SSID. So we'll do that from the Configuration tab, Wireless, SSID menu. Notice here you have your normal SSIDs. In this case, I have Global Training. I'm going to create a Standby SSID. I'll go ahead and call this Global Training Standby. Now, what makes it a Standby SSID? This checkbox at the bottom. If you select this checkbox, Standby SSID, a couple things you'll note. One is under authentication, you have your basic Wi-Fi authentication options, Open, Shared Key or WEP, and then Pre-Share Key. So I'll just leave it open for now. Another item you'll notice is the roles disappear. You don't have roles when you're using Standby SSIDs. And then the last item you'll notice is the Standby SSID or Standby VLAN tag. You can set the VLAN so that when somebody authenticates to this SSID, they'll be placed on the VLAN you set here. If you leave it 0, the user will go to the native or the untagged VLAN. All right, so we'll go ahead and create this SSID. And then just like you normal SSIDs, when you create a Standby SSID, we need to go to the AP templates and assign it to the template that we want to use this SSID. All right, so I have my global training, and then I'm going to assign global training standby to this template. And that was a template setting, so we do have a domain task, and we'll go ahead and apply this config to the APs. So that's Standby SSID configuration. Additional resources can be found in the Adtran support community. Thanks for watching the Adtran University Show Me video series.